The BOSS 302 Strut Tower Brace is a great choice for the 05 to 14 GT and V6 owners out there looking to stiffen up the front end and reduce some body roll using a factory part found on one of the best handling Mustangs of all time. Now on top of that, this brace would also be ideal for the GT owners who have upgraded to a different, maybe taller intake manifold like the BOSS 302 or the Ford Performance 3-valve option. Price point for the extremely popular Ford part will land right around 180 bucks, while the simple 4-bolt installation can be accomplished by a toddler, so 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter is what you can expect here, and we will have some more detail on that later in the video. So as pointed out earlier, the S197 BOSS was a car that proved to the naysayers that a Mustang could be more than just a straight line car and really be quite capable on a track or road course. Now to help achieve this, Ford did use some specific parts unique to the BOSS, including the Strut Tower Brace shown here. Now one thing you do have to keep in mind, guys, is that the BOSS was the sum of a lot of different parts. So in essence, bolting up this Strut Tower Brace will not magically transform your GT or V6 into a BOSS 302. However, it will connect and brace those front strut towers together, helping to stiffen up the chassis a little bit further, reducing flex and roll while improving your front end turn-in. Now as far as construction and appearance goes, well, you can see the brace is all business. You're looking at box steel construction finished in a silver powder coat and free of any logos or emblems, which is something I personally really enjoy and is definitely going to be a great option for the less is more crowd. But one real big plus, again, in my opinion, with the BOSS option is the fact that it's going to clear those taller intake manifolds like the 3-valve Ford Performance option and obviously the BOSS 302 option, in addition to the stock manifold as well. Now, as it sits without modification, this brace will not fit the Cobra Jet intake manifold or a positive displacement blower. However, some owners have used some spacers to give it the additional clearance needed to make it all work. So that is going to be up to you at the end of the day, and just be mindful of that before pulling the trigger. Let's move on into the installation, and honestly, a Strut Tower Brace like this will be one of your easiest modifications you will ever tackle with your ride, trust me. So 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter is what you can expect here, maybe a few minutes of your time, and to give you a better idea of what's involved, here is a quick little walkthrough.
Using a 13mm socket and impact gun, we're going to remove the inner 2 most nuts on our strut tower. And we're going to repeat the same steps for the other side. With our nuts removed, we can place our strut tower brace right on top. And replace your 4 13mm nuts that you previously removed. And we'll tighten down our impact gun. And with everything tightened up here, that's going to wrap up our review and installation. Be sure to check out more at AmericanMuscle.com.